Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you the features of Kia Seltos HTK 2019 petrol radio features. You can see this is the radio of the car. I will turn on the lights once and turn off these lights. You can see this is the ambience of the cabin. Now let's start. So you can see this is the main screen over here. There is buttons for radio, media, and this is the favorites button. You can see there is multiple applications over here. This is the driving info. I didn't understand it, what is it, so please comment down below if you know what does it shows and when it shows. This is the phone option over here. If the phone is connected to a Bluetooth, then only it works. This is the voice memo. If you have to record any call in the car while speaking. This is the manual over here, and you can see here is the DRVM function. We will have to pull the handbrake to see the back. See. Now you will able to see it. You can see this is the back camera. You can see it. If somebody have hit from back, you can see over here. If you pull the handbrake, it will go. In settings, there are various features over here. Device connection. You can see Bluetooth connection. We can pair the mobile from here by clicking add new. This is the Android Auto. Android Auto we can put over here in the middle port. Apple CarPlay also same process by connecting in the middle USB port. In advanced we can see there is buttons we can apply which we want. Bluetooth audio, phone display on off. This is the steering wheel mode control. If you don't want any of the control, you can click over here, so it will not work from steering controls. This is the home screen. You can edit over here the home page of this stereo. This is the media change notifications. You can see the numbers will be shown, and when the sound is changed, it will show. This is for keeping the rear camera on. In general features, we have date, time, language, keyboard, screensaver. You can see you can have a clock, change the clock on the screensaver. This is the keyboard, language, date and time we can change over here. If one device is connected, this is used. This is the sound settings. The sound will lower if you tick on this. Position, you can see you can move it here or there from, or you can center it. These are the volume levels. System sound, you can see this is the beep sound, we can adjust over here. This is the ringtone sound, we can adjust from here. This is the equalizer for bass, mid and treble. This is the volume ratio, volume limitation on startup. The volumes will be down if you put reverse or the camera is active. This is the display. You can see auto illumination, means if you turn on or off the light, it will glow or dim. This is for the brightness control. You can see it is linked over here on the lights, parking lights. So these are the functions over here, and overall this is the phone projection. It's a best music bus, but only the problem is the speakers are not that good if someone have to change. you can see over here. These are the AC controls, ambient lighting. I have installed the videos on the channel. This is the, I will show you now, media this MID controls. You can see by pressing this button we can access the settings. This is for the door, auto unlock or auto lock. This is for the lights. This is for the wiper display. You can see if I will use wiper, it will show over here. This one. This is the service interval. You will have to press OK and up down button to access it, and there are other features. This is the whole MID of the car. You can see over here. It's now in 12.9 average, which is not that good, but it's okay for this much size car. Overall, this is the cabin. I will turn on the light once. You can see the gear knob, it looks bad in this car. I will make a video if I will change it. And there is one more problem, it does not have all 4 power window illumination. I have a Fiat Punto also, it has all mirror controls and power windows illumination over there. Overall, these are the features of the stereo, and inside the cabin we can access. This is for dimming the instrument cluster lights. You can see it has been dimmed. Now I will increase the brightness. This does not come in HTE variant. Auto dimming inside rear view mirror. Okay, so that's for the video, guys. If you want any other video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment down below. I will make a video of a review after 10,000 kilometers on this car. Thanks for watching.